Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with nonsense words. All of the words today are going to be things we can eat. So let's start with she's, cheese, banana, banana, pot pog, hot dog, fegs, eggs, French fries, French fries, dapples, apples, dandy, candy, pizza, pizza, Barrett's, carrots, and vegetables. Vegetables. Good job. Now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. I'll say 3 words, you repeat them, and then together we'll make the beginning sound. Joke, jab, just. J. Kim, Ken, kick. K. Love, live, lost. L. Meet, me, milk. Near, neat, nest. Pig, pear, peck. P. Queen, quart, quiet. Qu. Rope, ride, race. R. Good job. Now we're going to blend syllables. I'm going to give you the 2 parts of the syllable, or the 2 parts of the word. You're going to repeat them, and then we will blend them together. Here we go. Pardon. Pardon. Empty. Empty. Tardy. Tardy. Alone. Alone. Sharpen. Sharpen. Handle. Handle. Army. Army. Bottle. Bottle. Contact. Contact. Good job. All right, now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'm going to say a short sentence. You'll repeat the short sentence, and then we'll say the sound we hear at the end of all of those words. Slim Tim swam. Jane can run. Jed made food. D. Chris counts mice. S. Help pup skip. P. Mad dad called Brad. D. All right, let's move on to segmenting syllables. So I will give you the word, you're going to repeat the word, and then you are going to clap out the parts, the syllables in the word. Quarter, admit, really, magic, argue, story, donkey, laughter, candy, neighbor. Good job. Okay, now we're going to substitute syllables. So we're going to start with a two-syllable word. You're going to repeat the word, and then we are going to replace the first syllable to make a new word. The word is raining. Change rain to storm. Storming. The word is storming. Change storm to snow. Snowing. The word is snowing. Change snow to hail. Hailing. The word is hailing. Change hail to freeze. Freezing. The word is freezing. Change freeze to rain. Raining. Good job. Now we're going to add syllables. We'll start with one, add a second to the end. The word is melt. Add ed to the end. Melted. The word is twist. Add ed to the end. Twisted. The word is plant. Add ed to the end. Planted. The word is lift. Add ed to the end. Lifted. The word is rent. Add ed to the end. Rented. Good. Now we're going to delete syllables. Here we go. The word is shouted. Without ed, the word is shout. The word is weighted. Without ed, the word is weight. The word is heated. Without ed, the word is heat. The word is pounded. Without ed, the word is pound. The word is listed. Without ed, the word is list. Good job. Last exercise, counting words in spoken sentences. Here we go. I saw a squirrel in a tree. That was 7. Where's the puppy going? That was 5. The trees are very tall. 5 again. My backpack feels heavy. So that's 4. If that one confused you, backpack is a compound word. So it's one big word made out of 2 smaller words, backpack. That movie was so funny. And that last one was 5. Nice job today, everyone.